Matagal na ako sa trading, hindi talaga kayo kikita dyan. Yan yung mga sinasabi sa ibang mga nagko-comment sa akin or nagpi-PM dahil probably they have a bad experience or talagang nag-quit na sila. What is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, guys, let me just share with you some factors or reasons bakit ba may mga tumatagal na sa trading, let's say 2 to 3 years na, pero hindi pa rin kumikita or they cannot call themselves like confidently na profitable. Okay, so kapag gaganyan ang problema, I can fairly say that there are a lot of factors affecting yung result mo kaya hindi ka kumikita. Alright, even though ang tagal mo na nagtitrade, tagal mo na nag-aaral, so that means una kong nakikita dyan or naiisip is probably you are one of those na paiba-iba kayo ng strategy. Alright, you're trying to find a perfect system, more or less, diba, na sa tingin nyo laging win, diba, na mataas ang win rate. Tandaan nyo, guys, isang factor kaya hindi kayo kumikita is bukod sa paiba-iba ng strategy, naghahanap kayo ng bagay na hindi naman existing. Alright, so what do I mean by that? There will always be a time na na you will have losses. Okay? Kaya nga 'di ba? If walang talo, that means there's no point mag-aral pa ng risk management, 'di ba? So laging kakambal ng risk management yung pagte-trade. Kasi bakit? Market is always or more or less uncertain. All right? We're only dealing with probabilities and possibilities. Ilang beses ko na sinasabi to. So, the first point is, sabi ko nga, paiba-iba kayong strategy. Most of you guys siguro nagbe-binge watch ng iba't ibang channels, trying to find a working strategy. Okay? Ang point doon is, paiba-iba kayo ng strategy, pero wala kayong validation. What do I mean by that? You don't have sufficient data to back up na mag-conclude ka na it's not working or it is working. So that means, kung alam nyo lang, it takes 50 to 100 trades para ma-justify nyo na ang strategy ay working. You cannot conclude na ang market is what? Or you can't conclude that the strategy na tinatry mo ngayon is hindi mag-work kung natalo ka lang ng 2 times, 3 times. It's not enough, di ba? Kasi bakit? There may be times na hindi naman pala yung strategy yung problema. Okay? Because you lack experience, you lack validation nga, di ba? Sometimes, kailangan mong i-document. Alright? So, that's why napaka-importante alongside with the strategy is yung journal. Kasi kapag wala kayong journal, wala kayong data, hindi nyo alam what went wrong. Sometimes, emotion mo pala ang problema. Hindi naman yung strategy. Sometimes, hindi mo na-consider yung fundamentals that have sudden change dun sa volatility affecting yung result mo na hindi mo ma-explain, or talagang minsan hindi mo sinusunod yung rules, diba? So maraming factors, and kung paiba-iba kayo ng strategy, lalo na kung every month or every week, diba, nood kayo na nood, papalit-palit, it would not make sense. Okay? Para kayo nag-i-experiment na wala namang kayong sinusulat or dino-document na na technical data or report, di ba? So sabi nga, you must have a your result must have a backed up with with data. Hindi lang results. Tandaan nyo, guys, it's not about winning rate. Okay? Kasi kung winning rate nga lang pag-uusapan, huwag na tayo mag-alala ng risk management. Okay? So it's all about risk to reward ratio. Lagi ko yung sinasabi. So on top of that, yung paiba-iba ng strategy, which I think a lot of us are guilty naman, di ba? Nagsisimula tayo kasi we're trying to find that is convenient sa atin. Hindi dahil maganda siya. Ang hinahanap ngayon ng mga tao is madaling intindihin and may sense. Okay? So, isa na dyan, syempre, yung sinashare ko sa YouTube ko na Warrior System, that's just a basic strategy. Okay? Doon ako nagsimula. Alright? So, of course, hindi naman perfect yun kasi wala namang perfect system. That's why nag-evolve ako to a TFP Champion System, which I am teaching now. Saan? Sa VIP Mentorship Program. So, that means, alright, if you want to be part of our growing community, you may want to check out our 90-day Forex one-on-one mentorship program. So as I've said, meron tayong dalawang options. Alright, so option 1, obviously for one-on-one, okay, via Zoom. And then for option 2, obviously masterclass recorded lessons. I already have prepared a total of 28 lessons para pagsimula kayo. That is a zero knowledge friendly approach, okay, from basic to advanced. Inclusive na yung main system natin. So again, there's no reason na hindi kayo matuto, no, in just 3 months. Alright, so of course you have to do your part, aralin yun and diligently practice yung strategy. So going back dun sa ating topic na bakit ba hindi kayo kumikita kahit ang tagal nyo na. Second thing is, aminin natin, pagka nag-aaral kayo, you're always looking for profit agad, diba? Tandaan nyo guys, profit will come after you know everything, or more or less naiintindihan nyo. Okay, so bakit ko nasabi na kailangan alisin nyo sa isip nyo na kapag nag-aaral kayo, huwag nyo muna isipin yung reward. Okay, isipin nyo muna, how can I avoid losses? Tandaan nyo guys, the main rule sa akin na like more or less a light bulb moment. Okay, in order for me to win, I must prevent losing. So how will I prevent losing? Kailangan kong galingan yung pagmamanage ko ng risk. Ibig sabihin, I should calculate well my risk, if worth it ba siya i-trade based sa risk to reward ratio or hindi. So you must be aiming for quality trade setups, hindi lang volume. So it's all about quality over quantity ng trades. Kaya nga sabi ko, kahit nga isa lang trade ko sa isang linggo, pero paldo naman, katumbas na siya ng mga 10 scalping. Kasi bakit? I have a good assessment kapag maganda ang risk to reward ratio. Okay, I'm not always aiming for win rate lang. Kasi bakit? When I selective of my trades, di ba, regardless kung konti lang o madami trades ko in a week, okay, I would know how much will I make, di ba, in that particular trade. So it's more on quality trade setup rather than quantity. So you must be focusing on risk management, okay? Ibig sabihin, prevention of losing rather than winning. Kasi ang aim mo lang kung winning, paano kung mali ka? Eh tandaan mo, market is uncertain. Alright? There may be factors na hindi mo talaga control. Like fundamentally, you cannot predict the market. Okay? And ano pa? Third thing is some of you guys, hindi nyo kinakarir eh. Diba? Parang iniisip nyo lang, aaral lang ako kasi kung kailan ko lang gusto. Diba? Isipin nyo yung trading as a sport. Diba? Na ibig sabihin ko ng kakaririn nyo is always think of being a champion. Kaya nga TFP champion, di ba? So my mindset was that when I was starting is I must be the first, di ba? I don't practice to be second placer. I must be number 1, di ba? But I'm not saying na number 1 ako ngayon. Hindi yun ang point ko na. I mean, mindset lang. Okay? Kasi I will never be number 1, but in myself, I'm number 1, diba? So, sa mata ng ibang tao, you cannot please everyone. There's no perfect system. So, ang point ko doon, mentality-wise, kailangan, karirin nyo, diba? Kung gusto nyo talagang gumaling sa trading, mas maraming oras yung ilalayo nyo sa pagpapractice ng trade kaysa sa pagbabrowse nyo ng YouTube, diba? Facebook, okay? I mean, ibawas nyo na lang yung pag-aaral doon sa mga pinapanood ng channel, like my channel as well. So, ang point ko doon is, you have to have a structured schedule, di ba? Ilang oras ako mag-aaral, ano yung mga aralin? Isa pa yon, di ba? The fourth point would be, you're just trying to learn something na for the sake of learning, di ba? Hindi nyo iniintindi, bakit ko ba kailangan ma-aral yung market structure? Ano bang relevance niya, di ba? Yung iba, nagiging dependent kayo sa mga indicators na nagbabakasakali kayo na merong indicator dyan sa buong mundo na inaaral nyo na trying to search na magbibigay sa inyo ng signal lang ito dito, mag-buy ka, dito mag-sell. Okay, that may be work for sometimes, pero it's not reliable, di ba? Kaya I mean, hindi ako naniniwala dyan sa mga EA. Pre-program yan. Hindi yan nape-predict. Okay? So, for me, it's just BS, diba? I mean, sino bang kumikita dyan sa mga EA na yan? It's more on the networking side, more on the agents, commissions-based people, diba? Mga nagbebenta sa inyo. So, ang point ko doon, if you really want to master something, try to do it in such a way na understand every topic. Okay? Kasi yung iba nagkukwit, hindi ko talaga kaya, hindi ko talaga makuha. It's because you're learning the wrong way, diba? You may have less time, kumbaga on and off, di ba? Marami kasi yung, dami ko naturuan, and I have heard some stories from them na minsan hindi sila nakapag-review out of other priorities. That means you are poor in time management, di ba? Sabi ko nga, karirin nyo yan. Ako noon, di ba? Nagsasabay ko trabaho tsaka pag-aaral. Minsan mas marami na oras ko mag-chart kaysa sa trabaho. Because alam ko na yung work ko, di ba? So kahit balik-balik rin yun, I know my responsibilities sa kumpanya. Pero I cannot work forever to someone or for someone, di ba? So ayaw nating magpaalipin. I'm not degrading yung mga employees. Ang point ko doon, you have to reflect. Ano talagang gusto mong gawin mo sa buhay mo, di ba? If gusto nyo maghanap for side hustle, then I can understand. Hindi talaga kayo gagaling dyan ng consistent. Kasi bakit? Hindi nyo siya priority in such a way na kinakaroon niya siya. Parang kung kumita o hindi, okay lang, 'di ba? Kung masunog to, okay lang, meron pa naman kikitain. Lalo na yung mga OFWs, malakas sa loob kasi they know next month they can cover up that previous loss na natalo nila. Alright? Paano kung hindi? Paano kung sisimula ka lang and then last savings mo na yan, tapos wala ka pang trabaho? Malala yun, 'di ba? Alright, so the last point I want to say regarding bakit tumatagal na kayo sa pagte-trade pero hindi pa rin kumikita is most probably you don't invest more on yourself. Tandaan nyo guys, merong mas magaling sa inyo. There may be other strategy na proven na, alright? It's working. Apparently, you just have that ego na hindi, kaya yan ng self-study. Tandaan nyo guys, wala namang problema sa self-study. Pero ang pinakakalaban nyo dyan is oras. Okay? That's the main reason nandyan yung mga courses, programs is to shorten your learning curve. It is up to you guys kung mag-invest kayo sa sarili nyo para mapaikliin nyo yung panahon na hindi na kayo magta-trial and error kasi you just want to find out if it's working or not. Tandaan nyo guys, merong mas magaling sa inyo, merong mas mga nauna na. And most probably, tinitipid nyo yung sarili nyo, di ba? Okay, I understand yung mga iba hindi naman talaga kayo magbayad. And that's a different story. Pero yung point na iba na ang magigain mo kasi whenever you are trying to enroll to something or someone is ang advantage nun, meron ka ng aaralin na structured program. Pangalawa is hindi ka mag-aaksaya ng panahon kasi bakit? That program would take more or less than a year, di ba? Enough yun para ma-accumulate mo yung mga dapat mong matutunan in a structured way. Hindi yung mag-aaral ka ng 6 months pero kalat-kalat sobrang dami mong aaralin. Ibang usapan yan kasi bakit? You're trying to figure out, ito ba nag-work? Ito ba hindi? So, nandun ka pa rin sa phase na trial and error na wala ka naman na-validate kasi nga, hindi enough yung ginagawa mo. I mean, in reality, no? Kapag meron nag-aaral dyan, is itetest lang nila yan. Sir, nag-live trade ako, 3 times, puro talo, losing streak, hindi talaga nag-work eh. Out of that 3, you can't conclude that na hindi mag-work yun or hindi working strategy. You must have enough data. Alright? So, I mean, nasa inyo guys, if mag-invest sa sarili nyo to gain knowledge or problema ng iba kaya kayo na-scam, kaya kayo nabubudol is nag-i-invest kayo, naglalabas kayo ng pera, pero hindi kayo natututo. Gusto nyo, mag-work lang yung pera for you. Anong ibig sabihin? Kaya kayo nabubudol kasi nag-i-invest kayo sa ibang tao na hindi nyo naiintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay. Like, EA, wala naman kayong alam dun eh. Alam nyo lang, gagawa ng pera para sa inyo. Kalokohan yun. Pangalawa, copy trade. Bakit? Yung kinakopy mo ba? Alam mo ba yung strategy niya? Di ba hindi? So that means you must have to be in their place to know what they're doing bago kayo mag-invest. So unahin nyo lagi ang sarili nyo. Alright guys? So, kaya marami na-scam, kaya marami nabubulol, kaya maraming kakamot na lang ang ulo. Kasi, inuuna nyo yung profit. Tandaan nyo guys, learning comes first, di ba? Parang, before you gain that reward, make an effort, di ba? Trabahuin nyo muna. Parang trabaho lang yan sa kumpanya, di ba? Gusto mong ma-promote, aralin mo lahat ng process, be a master of that process, o kung alam nyo talaga lahat, then, makikita yun ng management nyo na ano, this guy is really something. And may reward yun. Mapopromote ka, tataas sahod mo, and then tataas yung responsibility. You may have the power ng authority mag-decide on a bigger scale. Ganun din dito. It's a skill. Kung gusto nyong maging magaling, kumita kayo, then aralin nyo from ground up. Diba? So, that means, either you take the shortcut, pero, again, structured program, or shortcut na wala kang matututunan kasi maglalagay ka lang ng pera doon and bahala na kung kikita o hindi. Diba? So, I mean, this is just a short video addressing yung mga ganyang concerns. I mean, maraming ng factors, pero yun yung sa tingin ko yung mga main na na-experience ng lahat. So, subconsciously, siguro hindi nyo lang ina-accept. In denial pa kayo. Pero, you are one of those na nakaka-experience niyan, I guess. So, again, thank you so much to all my TFP, VIP champion students all over the globe. Subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So, God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.